Kia ora, good morning. It is Friday. It is UK election results day. Yeah. On that, polls close at 11 a.m. New Zealand time, and we'll probably see results from around lunchtime. Yeah. For now, though, I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Yeah, the overnight session was all about, or it was mostly about, US-China trade. Yeah, so the vibes are positive, I guess, is the short version. President Trump, he kicked things off with tweets of a big deal being done soonish. We're paraphrasing there. I mean, we almost always are, but just to be clear, paraphrasing. Yeah, anyway, that is a bit of a turnaround from last week's talk of a post-2020 election deal. We've talked about this before, the whole on-again, off-again thing. It has markets wary of getting too excited or too pessimistic. So while there was plenty of optimism, a lot of it gets lost in translation to equity performance. Lost in translation. Yeah. On that, equities, they saw gains of around 0.5% across the board, which was not a lot, but just enough to see a couple of new all-time highs for some of the US markets. Yeah. Adding to the optimism, headlines directly from China, they are looking at fine-tuning their fiscal settings to ensure they keep the economic train on track. And then, breaking news out of the US just in the last few minutes, maybe half an hour. President Trump, he is scheduled to meet with his advisory team to discuss Chinese trade this morning at 9:30. Could be nothing. Could be something. Who knows? Anyway, looking at the local scene, all of that still cautious optimism. Continue to support the Kiwi. We are holding in the high 65s this morning. And again, the New Zealand dollar, second best performing currency of the evening session. Technically third, I guess, if you count the US dollar index, but we won't. So yeah, that means it came in second to the Aussie dollar. So Kiwi Aussie is lower, down in the mid 95s. And that's about it. Yeah. Gear up for UK and Brexit headline overload this afternoon. And the weekend, yeah, will those rumours of a pre-tariff increase deal prove accurate? I don't know. Will the next round of tariffs go ahead on Sunday? I don't know that either. It's like Christmas Eve. The presents are there. That big one, it's a PlayStation-shaped box, and that is exciting. But it could just be full of socks. Or coal. I actually love getting socks for Christmas. We're getting off track. I'm off track. I need some fine-tuning, like China's fiscal settings. There we go, brought it back. Tied it all back together like the bow on the top of that PlayStation-shaped box. Have a happy Friday, have a happy weekend. Ka kite.